Okay guys, so we're finally back for another video. So today's video I am super excited for. So I have my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette here, finally. So Jeffree launched these maybe a week, 2 weeks ago. You know, I don't remember what day he launched it. Oh well, if I find it, I'll put it like on the screen or something. But anyways, he launched his Bloodlust collection. Of course, I needed it. Favorite color is purple. So he came out with the lip bundle, the Bloodlust, the Bloodlust palette. He came out with some mirrors, of course, some merch. He had a grinder. I wanted one of those, but I couldn't get it. But anyways, so I have my palette, and it came in a purple box, which this makes me more happy than it should. I got really excited that the box is purple. So, okay, here we go. And I'm filming on my phone, so if like I'm looking here, I'm looking at like myself. If I look here, I'm looking at the camera. So I get a little confused. Okay, so open it up. This is what it looks like. It comes with his little postcard like it always does on the front. And he got his little box sprays, and he's killing the game with the palette on his eyes, and I just love this dress. So this is what this looks like. And then on the back it has the palette advertised. So I usually keep those. I don't know why. But anyways, it comes with his normal pink JSC wrapping paper. So we'll go ahead and take this out, and then the receipt's at the bottom. So this palette does retail for $54. It was his last 18 shade palettes, I think, were $52, around that range. With the exception of Alien. I think Alien might have been more. I don't know. I don't remember the pricing. But I think his Bloodlust, not Bloodlust, damn, that's this one. His Blue Blood and his Blood Sugar ones were $52. Those are the trunk ones, and I have those available as well. Anyways, so then it comes and it has tissue paper and bubble wrap. So tissue paper and bubble wrap. And this is the palette, guys. Oh my God, look at this. Like, this is crazy. Like, it's a hexagon. There's 6 sides. So this is what it looks like. This packaging, of course, is just a unicarton. It is really nice though, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. It does say Bloodlust Artistry Palette. So yeah. So now we're gonna open it up. Dun, 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 dun. And this is what it looks like. So it is velvet. I absolutely hate velvet. So this is gonna be something to get so used to. And it does come with, when he did his unboxing, he mentioned the buffer that he has in it, where it's like to protect it even more in shipping, so nothing comes broken. All right. Oh, God, I don't want to touch this, but I want to touch it. Oh, okay. It's not too bad. Okay. It's not as bad as I was thinking it was gonna. Oh, just don't rub it that way. Okay. It's not as bad as I was thinking it was gonna be, unless I rub it like a certain way, then I fucking hate it. But anyways, this is the velvet. Well, this is the packaging. Again, it's velvet all over. It has the JSC crown star here. And on the back it has like all of the information. So it has like his cosmetics Instagram, his YouTube, and then like attention, press pigments, bleeding heart, take the crown, High King, Dungeon, Scandal, Water, Blood Queen, Wet Jewel, Vivid Mood, Pink Magic, Beauty Sleep, and Betrayal are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. So don't know what that means. I'm not a makeup artist, so what's the immediate eye area? Like here, I guess. I don't know. So anyways, at the bottom it has like the little thing that opens it up to this. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it comes with like the little, my mirror is like gonna be in the way, so I'm gonna hold it this way. So it comes with like the plastic piece on it. Hold on, it looks like it's 2 plastic pieces. And I also see a little bit of product like right here, but I don't think that's anything, because like the shade, which is this one that it looks like, doesn't look too broken. So I don't think it's anything like major. But my plastic is messed up. Okay. So yeah, like this, it's like a little one of these, but it has like, mine has like this little here on it. So I don't know. I just felt the need to mention that. So anyways, and then the mirror has a piece of plastic on it also. God, I'm not gonna be able to get it off with my nails. So it's gonna be up there for a minute. So anyways, here are the shades, which there's not that many purples, but purples are extremely hard to make, so that could be why. I'm really excited for this sparkly red shade here and this one here. So I'm just gonna swatch them and keep it pushing. So let's get it moving. I might do an eye look with it later. Okay, this velvet is really not that bad. Like, it's not making my skin crawl. Velvet legit makes my skin crawl when I touch it. Like, ugh. Okay. So we're gonna go in with the first shade at the top. So this is called Your Majesty. Not go in, but we're gonna touch. Oh, that was super soft. It's like a white, and then we're gonna take the crown on my middle finger. So that's what these two look like. I'm just gonna swatch them on my face because why not? So that's Take the Crown, and this one is, what was that one? Your Majesty. So that one is a matte shade, so it didn't come off like really good in the finger swatch, but it's super buttery. Okay, so yeah. So next we're gonna go in with Deviant and Beauty Sleep. So that's this one, Deviant, and then Beauty Sleep is, why am I holding it like that? Okay, so this is Deviant, and then this one is Beauty Sleep. I'm gonna take these on my two fingers here. Okay, Deviant is a matte shade, it's super buttery, and Beauty Sleep is like a shimmer, I guess. So there's those two. So Deviant and Beauty Sleep. So I'm just gonna keep it pushing. Okay, so that's Deviant, which is the matte shade. And I still got some product on my finger. Okay, and then here's Beauty Sleep. Okay, so Beauty Sleep is right there. All right. And so next we have Wet Jewel, which is this shade here. This one. And then Royal Pain, which is this one. So I'm just going to take those on two clean fingers. Okay, and then we're going to... Okay, so that was Wet Jewel. Oh, I like that one. And then... oh, that's really pretty. This one, which was Royal Pain. I really like both of those. Okay, so that's the first 6 shades. I can't count, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so this one is like, it's there. It's hard to see because it's like in my skin. Well, not in my skin, but I'm black, so. So there's that one, that pinkish shade that's on my forehead. I need to get a wipe to wipe my hands, so 1 second. So clean fingers now. We're gonna go in with this middle row here, and first shade is Dungeon. And again, my fingers are clean. This one is the little stain from Royal Pain from when I tried to show you on my hand. So there's that. So Dungeon is, ooh, this is a really deep purple shade. Like, I'm super excited for this one. So we're just gonna put that right there. Oh yeah, I can't wait to use that one. Gorgeous. All right, and so next we have Scandal Water, which is this blue shade here. We're gonna take that. Okay, this is another matte. Okay, so there's that one. I don't know why I put it in the corner of my nose, so sorry about that. All right, and then next we have this goldish greenish metallic shade. It's called Sworn Enemy. I can't read. It's called Sworn Enemy. So now I'm just gonna go in with that shade. And so again, it's like a goldish greenish color, kind of olive, kind of not, I don't know. Okay, and so there it is swatched on my nose. So it's like, it comes off more gold on my face than it does. Okay, so then Pink Magic, which is this shimmer shade here, or metallic, or whatever freaking formula it is. All right, we're just gonna put that right there. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my God. Okay, can't wait to use that one either. All right, and so next we're gonna switch hands because I'm gonna have to clean my hand again. And we're gonna go in with Blazing Heart, which is this red shade that I was super excited for. Okay, so that was really like nice. I don't want to mess up the heart. I'm gonna cry when it's messed up. Okay, and then okay, I need to use that immediately. Like, that is gorgeous. Okay, so next is Executioner, which I want to say when I watched him do it, it was, oh, so it's like black and it has like purple sparkle in it. So I don't know if you can like see that, but oh my goodness, like that is gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. Who am I kidding? All right, so next we have High King, which is this one. We're almost there. I'm sorry, I'm swatching these, but you know, I'm black, so maybe you want to see it on black skin. So I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so that's like a High King. It's like a purplish shade. It's like matte. I like that. Okay, Vivid Mood. Okay, there's more purples in here than it looks like at first. For some reason, I didn't think it was that many. Okay, so now Vivid Mood, which is this light purple lavender color. Just gonna put that right here. Okay, so it's really light on my skin. So yeah. All right, so let me clean my hand. We have a few more shades left. Sorry, my window's open. So next we have Monarchy, which is this really like the most neutral color in this palette, like right here. It's like a brownish, tannish color. And I would go in with it on the finger that had that black shade, but we're gonna zoom in. Okay, and so that's that shade. It is a matte shade, so of course it's not swatching well. All right, I'm gonna try to swatch it on my hand so we can see if we can get a better color understanding. Oh, well, it really matches my skin color because it's like right here. So we'll just ignore that. Well, you can kind of see it here. So that's gonna be a shade that I'm probably not gonna be able to use because it's a little too light for me. Oh no, I'm getting like shit all over the palette. Hold on. I hate that. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so some of these shades are like super soft. So like those two right there in the middle especially, I barely touched them and they are like, the stars are like almost ruined. Makes me sad. So anyways, now we're gonna go in with Blood Queen. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna go back in with this hand. This hand looks a little cleaner. So Blood Queen is this one here. It's like a really pretty purple. Okay, where are we gonna put this? I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh, okay, that's gorgeous. I love that. So far, my favorite shades are this one. I really like this one. Yeah. This one is kind of pretty too. I kind of like that one. All right. And of course, I really love this black one with like the purple sparkles. Anyways, next shade is Vile Serpent, which is like this really pretty, almost jade-ish color. It's like turquoise here, gorgeous. That'll be really nice with like some of the shades from Blue Blood. Okay, so there's that one, gorgeous. Like, I look like I'm psycho. I look crazy, so sorry. All right, so now the last shade, which is Betrayal. Ooh, and it's got that little imprint in it, and it looks like a guillotine, I think is what it's called. This palette is kind of big though. It's kind of hard to hold, but it's not heavy. Huh, interesting. Okay. So now this is the last shade, and I'm just gonna take that right here. So that is gorgeous as well. So that's all 18 shades on my face. Of course, finger swatches does nothing. It doesn't show you how it performs or anything on the actual eye and brushes. So that's exciting. But these colors though, if the payoff with brushes is as good as it is with like these swatches, I'm excited. I can't wait to use this color here. Okay, so yeah. So this is all the colors on my face. I know I look crazy, but so yeah, do look out for a video where I'm going to be using this because this video is long enough as it is. Sorry, I got distracted by something. Anyways, so yeah, this video is long enough as it is. Look out for a video where I'm going to be playing with this because I'm excited for it. Yeah, and like, comment, subscribe, you know, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one.